My nose. My nose. My nose. It tickles. Please. Not working. Ding. Sniffer. I hate how that I can only get my sneezes out like 50% of the time now. I don't know if it's because of streaming or whatever, but it's very annoying. I mean, at least it's better than when I wasn't able to sneeze at all, but still. I wonder if this means I still have some self-consciousness left. Or maybe I'm anticipating it too much. You know, my sneezes on stream and my sneezes off stream are even slightly different. Because my sneezes off stream, I will sneeze like 5 times in a row. No problem. It is rare that I will have sneezes that are less than 3 times in a row off stream. But on stream, I can only sneeze like 1 to twice. But like, ow! 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 What are you doing?